I'm Anthony Bonacorso, owner of Bonacorso Construction and Development here in Newburyport. I had the opportunity to acquire this building here in 182 Merrimack Street in Newburyport, overlooking the Merrimack River. My dad was a bridge builder. I built bridges with my dad and my brother for years. And then I really had a passion for doing residential, especially high-end luxury residential, single families, condos, multifamilies as well. 182 Merrimack Street, Newburyport is a historical building. We wanted to maintain that original character and recreate what was once something special. What we ended up is completely gutting the building, tearing off the roof, putting together a whole new idea of what living could be. So we converted it into what was once a 6-unit building into 3 luxury condos with exquisite finishes with the help of some amazing people. I had an incredible challenge of trying to incorporate some of the historical features that were once in the home. So we went through this extensive effort to try to reclaim as much of the lumber that we could. As you can see when you walk around, you will see some of the most incredible planks and boards that are pretty much not available today unless it is reclaimed. And it couldn't be done without the collaboration of some incredible people, from the design team to my staff and all the subcontractors. In order to achieve such a high-end finish and a quality product like this, we really need the A-team to be put together to drive and meet that expectation.